Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best high-top patio sets on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. 5 Villa High-Top Patio Set. The 5 Villa High-Top Patio Set offers attractive, unique, and comfortable patio furniture. The pieces are constructed with heavy-duty steel frames that can support up to 300 pounds. The set includes 2 stunning 360-degree swivel bar stools. Each of them has scrolling arms, cabriole feet, and engraved details for an artful and aesthetic appeal. The breathable sling fabric is padded with fast dry foam on wide seats. Plus, they have high backs for extra comfort. What we like about it: breathable sling fabric and fast dry padding. High backs for extra comfort. Comes in different colors and sets. What we don't like about it: assembly instructions may not be clear. Number 2. Best Choice Products High-Top Patio Set. The Best Choice Products High-Top Patio Set features a unique design that is sure to catch everyone's attention. The wicker stand supports a slatted metal tabletop. Not only does this offer a distinctive look, but it comes with automatic drainage, making cleaning easy after it rains or you conduct a hose down. The table features a bottle opener and a hideaway storage shelf behind a magnetic door. That way, you can store drinks and other essentials. What we like about it: slatted metal top with automatic drainage. 4 lightweight yet sturdy stools. Hideaway storage shelf with magnetic door. What we don't like about it: holes may not always line up. Number 3. Hanover High-Top Patio Set. The Hanover High-Top Patio Set includes a round cast-top table and 6 comfortable swivel chairs. All of the furniture pieces have been constructed with durable materials that are resistant to rust, water, and UV. The aluminum frames are coated with a protective golden bronze finish. This ensures long-lasting protection while providing a beautiful aesthetic that complements any outdoor decor. What we like about it: materials are resistant to rust, water, and UV. Contoured table design for stability. 6 comfortable swivel chairs. What we don't like about it: reports of table arriving with scratches. Number 4. Locas Home High-Top Patio Set. The Locas Home High-Top Patio Set is a unique and functional addition to any outdoor living space. With 2 tall chairs and an outdoor bistro table, this set combines style and functionality with its sleek design. The chairs feature a 360-degree swivel function and ergonomic back design. This allows for comfortable seating at any angle. The table boasts a tempered glass top that adds to the aesthetic appeal as well. What we like about it: breathable fabric and tempered glass tabletop. Ergonomic back design for comfort. Comes with 360-degree swivel chairs. What we don't like about it: not as long-lasting as other options. Number 5. Tankula High-Top Patio Set. The Tankula High-Top Patio Set has a high-quality acacia wood tabletop and reinforced steel frame. It provides the ultimate levels of durability and stability. The modern style of this furniture set makes it versatile. Plus, it's perfect for dining with multiple people and entertaining guests. With 6 wicker chairs that are comfy and have highly resilient spongy cushions, you and your guests can enjoy a cozy, comfortable sitting experience. What we like about it: easy to clean removable cushion covers. Ultimate durability and stability. Suitable for various outdoor spaces. What we don't like about it: difficult to assemble for some people. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.